Before you begin, make sure the floor is level and up to TCNA standards. Then, measure the shower pan area. Mark the dimension taken from the rear wall to the inside face of the curb. Next, measure the distance to the center of the vertical drain pipe from the side wall and the rear wall of the shower footprint, as well as the depth of the drain. Record these measurements. The height of the vertical drain pipe should be 1 1/4 inches below the top of the subfloor when solvent welding. Using the measurements, first cut the drain support frame to size. Next, measure the distance from the back wall of the shower to the drain support frame. Then, cut the slope panels to length and then final width. Cut curb last. Finally, dry fit all panels in the shower pan area and adjust if necessary.